Today, we are excited to tell you all about AVerMedia's AI Edge computing product, the D131OXB. The D131OXB is built with NVIDIA Jetson Orin NX module, which provides powerful computing performance and AI capabilities for video analytics and processing. With a handy stand and I/O connection, the D131OXB makes development and deployment easy for engineers. You can access all the I/O without opening the box. D131OXB is deployed in a factory to enhance the safety and efficiency of the production process. The customer uses machine vision and deep learning to perform automated optical inspection of the products, detecting any defects or anomalies. The customer also uses gesture recognition and human pose estimation to monitor the workers' actions and posture, ensuring that they are following the safety protocols and ergonomic guidelines. D131OXB can provide feedback and instructions to the workers or the machines, or communicate with the factory control system to optimize the workflow and reduce operational costs. It helps the factory to improve productivity, safety, and quality with its advanced features and flexibility. We hope you enjoyed our video and product. We are looking for SIs who want to create custom solutions with us. Subscribe to our channel for more updates and news. See you soon.